All right, hello, Hypercycle community. This is Raymond Mata. I am the lead tech support and also customer success. And today we're going to be diving into the V2 DApp, dap.hypc.ai. That's where you're managing your node factories. That's also where you're handling HTS and your chilling. And we're going to go through some of the steps involved in the management of your node factory and the assets underlying the node factory. Okay, we're going to get started now with the split license guide. Here we're going to be splitting a license from a level 11 down to a level 10s. Okay, let me give you a brief chart of what that actually looks like. All right, here is a node license level matrix. Okay, some of you maybe have already seen this. Our smallest node is a level 10. There's one license in that bundle, and that is paired with 1,024 Hype-C tokens, you can see here. The next level up is level 11. There are two licenses in that bundle, and that's paired with 2,048 Hype-C tokens. I have a level 11 license that I'm going to be using for this guide, and we're going to be splitting that license into two level 10s, okay? All right, first step is make sure that you are at dap.hypc.ai. Some of our users in the past have gone to other older sites that no longer function or are partially functional. This is the only correct site for the V2 DApp of Hypercycle and the management of your node factories, dap.hypc.ai. So when you come here, you're going to be clicking on Connect Wallet. And if you're on your desktop, you're going to be actually clicking on Browser Wallet. That'll request a connection from your MetaMask wallet. Connect. If you're on licenses, you will see the licenses that are listed inside of this wallet. Now, this is before these licenses have been married to their tokens and made into node factories, okay? This is the raw form of the license. In this case, I have a level 11 license. A level 11 license consists of 2,048 possible nodes. So this would be paired, if I want to make a node factory of this license before splitting it, this would be paired with 2,048 HYPC. Okay, but in this particular case, we're going to be going through a split function. Pretty simple. You follow the split, confirm. Gas fees right now are fairly low. Close the extension. And we're going to wait for the transaction to take place and be registered on chain. All right, after the little wheel stops turning on the split button, we're going to refresh the page. And now we see that we have two level 10 licenses. Each level 10 license is 1,024 nodes, which would be paired with 1,024 HYPC. So that was the split function for you.